Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DoubleZero token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DoubleZero is a high performance global network of independently contributed links purpose built for blockchain and other distributed system. It provides direct low latency routing and strengthens validators performance and support faster failure and participation worldwide. 2Z token are used to access the network's connectivity service, and on the other side reward network contributors and resource providers based on performance and reliability. 2Z tokens can also be staked to enhance the security of the network. Current pain points in the blockchain space include high latency and jitter in decentralized communication, resilience on the congested public internet for blockchain node connectivity, lack of market mechanism for incentivizing high quality bandwidth contribution, duplicate and spam transactions. In order to address these, DoubleZero introduces a two-ring network architecture using contributed fiber links and edge filtering hardware to create ultra-low latency communications channels, and offers financial incentives and coordination to contributors through 2Z tokens. DoubleZero provides decentralized infrastructure that is fast, reliable, and programmatic, enabling crypto protocols, validators, and users to route traffic and scale services through dedicated token incentivized bandwidth. 00 token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 3.47 billion. 2Z token. 2Z token is listed on Binance, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.